Okay, 21.3 resistor. We know that what is the current, what is the EMF, what is the PD, and then we should know that the third component will be the loads. Okay, resistance. 中文叫做電阻。Okay, what is it? This one is the link between PD and the current. It means that we know that the PD related to the energy per unit charge, current should be charge related to the time. Okay, now we want to try to find out the linkage between them. Okay, what should we do? Try to look at this.
We will demonstrate how to simulate current, voltage, and resistance. Prepare 2 paper funnels. Block the funnels with chopsticks. Place the funnels into the openings of the bottles. Fill the funnels with the same amount of oil. Remove the chopsticks simultaneously. Observe the rate of flow of oil. Repeat the experiment with straws of different diameters. Again, observe the rate of flow of oil.
Okay, try to go back to
of the bottles.
This one.
With the same amount of oil. Move the chopsticks simultaneously of oil.
Okay, in this case, what can you see? You can see that this one will be longer one, this one will be shorter one. Because we know that oil is a viscous liquid. 個阻力勁啲嘅。So if this one the straw is longer than this, then it will feel more resistance force to refuse the flow of the oil. Then this one will take more time to flow for it. This one is the first case. It means that longer straw will be longer time. And next case will be this. Okay, this. You can see that this one will be greater in the cross-sectional area. Okay, the resistance on the oil will be less than this. Then this one will take less time to complete the whole oil flow. What is the function of this experiment? To want to show you that resistance exactly the same as this. Resistance will depend on the nature of the wire. Okay, so look at this. This one on one end should be depends on the PD or the voltage. The other one will be the current. Both of them will be related to this property of the load. Okay, now we will discuss the property of it. Now look at this. If we have the same voltage, then if this one is large resistance, 電阻大啲, then what will happen? To resist the flow of the charge, then the current will be less than the other one. If on the other hand, if I want to keep the same current, smaller resistance, keep it same current, it means that you need not to provide large voltage. You can provide small voltage. You can do it the same job. OK？ 呢個講乜嘅呢？直情係似你個心臟，你個血管有脂肪，同埋你個血壓。你嘅心臟發覺你個血管有脂肪，咁會點呢？你心壓冇改變 ，voltage 唔變，但係血管閉塞，血液流動減慢，咁你會暈啦。調翻轉，而家我個血管仍然係閉塞，但係你好想啲血流量呢同以前一樣，咁點算啊？你心臟就要做多啲嘢啦。你唔該，你泵個心臟嘅壓力大啲，因為你血管遇到大嘅阻力，因為佢窄咗。OK， 越窄嘅嘢阻力就越大，所以用咁嘅方法就 keep 住你個血流量一樣啦。OK， 咁所以呢個係一個 analog。As a result, we can form this relationship, voltage and current. Then this ratio we will call it resistor. The unit of it we will say that ohm. What is the meaning of it? It means that here, if the loading is 1 ohm, it means that if I want to have 1 ampere current pass through it, then you should provide the voltage difference should be 1 volt. The unit will be like that. 用翻心臟就先所講啦，你想個血流量每秒鐘即係血流量要1A 嘅話，你個血壓呢就必須要1伏。咁因為嗰陣時嘅阻力呢就1 ohm。如果你個血管更加閉塞得勁嘅，咁假設係咩呢？10個 ohm 嘅時候呢，你又想 keep 住個流量係1A 喎，咁你個血壓呢就要提高10倍啦，得唔得？咁呢個呢就個 relationship。This one, what will we call? We will call it Ohm's law. Here, exactly the same as the last 2 sessions. In order to measure the current, we will use the ammeter. In order to measure the voltage, we will use the voltmeter. In order to measure the resistance, we will use the ohmmeter. Or you can use the multimeter. Multi means that more than one. This device can be measured volt. Can you see it? V. It means that this part is voltmeter. This part is also voltmeter. But this part is ammeter. Can you see A? And here, can you see the symbol ohm? This part will be the ohmmeter. Okay? And when you use this one, you can measure the ohm inside it. And you can look at it, K. K means that 1,000. So this one is 20,000, 2萬、20萬、200萬。Okay? Now, try to look at the first one, Ch21.3. Here, we have a torch bulb, 手電筒燈膽 4.5 ohm. When it grows, 佢着嘅時候7.5。We want to find out the current if we apply the voltage is 3 volt. Very simple. Apply the definition. Okay? R should be the ratio between V and I. Now we want to find out I. Give you V and give you R. After the calculation, should be 0.48. Next one will be second one. Kelly wants to build up a circuit to measure the resistance of it. Here we will have this device. You should build up the circuit and then ask you to complete it. Okay? The answer should be like that. Okay? Once again, we know that the voltmeter should be across. For the other part, you should connect it first. And how about the position of them? I can say that this position, this position, this one, can go to here, no problem, or here. So this component, and this component can exchange the position. How about this tool? You also can exchange it. Okay, any question? How about this? You also can exchange the position with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Never mind. Okay， 擺咩位置唔緊要，最緊要佢就通嘅啫。Part B. What is the function of the variable resistor? 話到明咩叫 variable? It means that its resistance will be changed. Okay, this one for adjusting the current. 咁因為改變咗個電阻之後，係可以控制成個 circuit 嘅電流大細嘅。Okay, and then last one is example. Okay, we missed one example. Okay, should be example next. Okay, wait a while. Where is it? Okay, should be example 3. Okay, this one, you get it? Should be example 3. And start it. Okay, example 3. Here. Okay, example 3, page 95. This. Here, we want to calculate the resistor. In order to find out the resistor, you should know that the voltage and also the current. Once again, you can look at this reading. You can find out what's the answer. Look at this. Here, because we connected to 10, you should look at the upper part 10. It means that the full scale reading should be 10 volt. Okay, with the upper scale. And when you read in the upper part, this one should be 4 point something. Pay attention. This one is not 4.2. Should be 4.4. A. This one for the ammeter, for the current. Part B. This one, because we use A. A is 1. 1 means that the upper part. But remember that you can't see 1. You can see 10. 10 means that 1A. 2 means that 0.2 A. Okay, then what will happen? Right, this one will be mistake. Okay, this one is not A. Pay attention. This one should be the voltage. The PowerPoint is wrong. This one should be voltage. 4.4 volt. This one is 0.28. Then using the ratio, you can find that the resistance should be 22 ohm. How about part B? Part B here point out the mistake in the circuit. Okay, very easy job. Look at this. Ammeter should be connected in series. In order to find out the resistor, you should in series with the resistor R. So you should exchange. This one is not A, should be V. This one should be A. Ammeter must be connected in series, and also the voltmeter should be connected in parallel. And once again, this symbol may be wrong. Look at this. The longer one is positive. This one is a shorter distance. Then this one is okay. But how about this? This one is positive. Wrong. Because this one negative. This one should be negative. This one is positive. Okay? A wrong position of the voltmeter and ammeter. The other part is wrong terminal for the voltmeter. The modification should be this. This one will be the final answer. Then that's all for this example and the chapter 6. Okay, stop here.